How to draw Sonic shoes, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Sonic shoes, let's begin by drawing a small curved line going from left to right. This will make the opening of Sonic's sock. Now attached to that line, we're going to want to draw a very small piece of Sonic's leg. We're going to want to draw a small piece of the leg because the sock will be attached to it. Now that we have the small piece of the leg drawn, we can now draw the sock attached to it. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Are you all done drawing the sock? If so, let's continue. Now below the sock and a little to the left, we're going to draw a rectangular shape, and around this rectangular shape, we're going to draw an even bigger outline of the same shape. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now in the center of Sonic's shoe, there's a white stripe. We're going to draw this white stripe, which will be attached to the sock and the shape that we just made. And once we're all done making this stripe, we're going to want to make a line going across from left to right on the bottom of the shoe. Nicely done! So far this is coming along very well. Now let's go ahead and draw that long line that I previously mentioned. This line will also attach to the shape that we previously made. Now to make the bottom of the shoe, we're going to make a second line underneath of the one and connect it. Fantastic! Now let's go ahead and connect those openings on each side of the shoe. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw Sonic shoes. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe, and I'll include a link to all of our Sonic drawings down in the description below. Oh, and don't forget that if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.